Today we are going to make a fabulous fruit tree, but before we begin, we must wash our hands. Let's begin by turning on the water. Get our hands wet. Get 1 squirt of soap and scrub our hands for 20 seconds. We need to scrub the front of our hands, the back of our hands, in between our fingers, underneath our nails, and even our wrists. We need to do this for 20 seconds. You could count to 20. You could sing a song like ABCs or Happy Birthday. But once you are done scrubbing your hands for 20 seconds, you can rinse the soap off. Then get a towel to dry your hands and use it to turn off the water. You will need a kebab skewer. It could be wood or metal, or you could use a straw. We are going to put fruit from every color of the rainbow on our skewer. We have red strawberries, orange oranges, yellow pineapple, green kiwi, blue blueberries, and purple grapes. Take your skewer and slide your fruit on. We will start with our red strawberries. Then orange oranges, yellow pineapple, green kiwi, blue blueberries, and our purple grapes. There you have a fabulous fruit skewer. You can then take your skewer and place it into a pineapple to finish making your fabulous fruit tree.